On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create USDT wallet using Remitano. And I will teach you also how to copy the USDT wallet down to the place you want to use it. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create USDT wallet. There are so many wallets out there, wallet like Bondless Pay, Remitano, Binance, Yellow Card. But on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create USDT wallet using Remitano. And I will teach you also how to copy the USDT wallet down to the place you want to use it. But please, the only way YouTube algorithm will know that you love me is to like, comment, and also subscribe. By doing that, YouTube algorithm will know that you love me and I love you too. All you need to know before creating this wallet is, in Remitano, there are 5 steps of verification, which is verification 1, 2, 3 to 5. But all you need is step 1 to 3. And you're done with your wallet. Rush down to the Play Store, download Remitano. When you download this app, then you register with your email, which is your Gmail. After registering, then it will open like this. Click on the human icon you see. When you click on the human icon, which is like this, then you click on Verify Account. Verify Account. When it's open, you will see different verification, which I told you step 1 to 5. But all you need to get your account ready is verification 1 to 3. Then click on the first verification. The first verification is to verify just your phone number. I so much love Remitano because their verification is very simple. When you click on it, you choose your country first in order for your country phone number to appear, which is +234. You choose your country. When you choose your country, then your country phone number will appear. Once your country phone number appear, note, remove the first digit of your phone number and input the number. Then an OTP will be sent to your phone. Once the OTP arrive, input it and get verified. Then hold on for it to get verified. It's as simple as that. Once it's verified, hold on. You can see that. Once it's verified, step 1 verification is done. Then you head on to the second verification, which is just your document. And as you're uploading your document, they will capture your face. You can see document verification and face verification instantly. So once you choose any document of your choice, either it's BVN or national ID card, once you input your BVN or upload your national ID card, the camera will open instantly for them to capture your face, meaning they want to be sure you are the owner of the document. They want to be sure. So you choose either of which suits you. So you input your BVN and allow the camera. You click on allow for the camera. You click on allow. Once it's done, that's all. Then step 3 verification is just your bank details. Input your bank details and choose your bank. That's all. Once that is done, your USDT wallet is ready. Your USDT wallet is ready. Now, next step, let me show you how to copy the address of the USDT. Now is to click on the home. When you click on the home, you click on the wallet. You click on the wallet. You roll down, you click on the wallet. Then you look for where you see USDT. USDT. Once you see the USDT, if you don't see it at the top the way I see mine, you can roll down till you see USDT. As you can see, I have $10 here already. Then you click on USDT. Since you want to input money in this wallet, you click on deposit. Deposit money into it. Once you click on deposit, it will take you to USDT. Take you to Trc20. Trc20, which is this. You click on it again. When you click on it, you can see, you just click on copy on this copy.
and copy your USDT wallet. So anywhere you want to click your place your withdrawal, once you copy it, that's all. So you put it to any, so you now put it to any online you want to withdraw the money. So once the money comes, you'll be seeing it here.
So now you have known how to create the USDT and you have known how to copy the address. In the next video, I'll teach you how to convert the money in the USDT down to your local currency, down to your Naira account. Please, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. You can comment, we are family. I want to be your family. Comment whatever you want me to do, okay? With that, YouTube algorithm will know that you love me and I love you. See you in my next video.